Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your daily TA, to your 10-minute TA. Let's get into the charts. All right, so what do we see here? Since yesterday, I called for this cat ears pattern to play out. However, it did not. I said it had a 70% chance of playing out. Well, the Bulls took hold of that 30% chance and they ran with it. They ran hard and, well, not hard. Sorry, they didn't run with it. They just kept it sideways. They didn't let it happen. They kept the price up. So let's extend this this thing here because now we're seeing a triple top instead of cat ears, which is basically gonna have the same play out, roughly about the same play out, down to roughly this 200 on the 90-minute chart. Should it play out, if the Bulls can't maintain strength and push upwards, which if they could, well, we are seeing this this bull flag kind of forming here as well. Let me draw it out for you. Well, we'd start down here. We'd bring it up to here, and let me turn it green. Let me just turn it green. Oh, let me talk about this bearish divergence here too. So the bearish div is still there because RSI is putting in lower highs while price action is putting in flat highs. Anyway, where's that bull flag? Well, you can count this divergence as well. We'll put that there like that. And then the bottom of the flag would be down here, but more so like this. Now, if that flag did play out, that'd be a pretty nice move up to 104. Now, if it can make it to 104, you know what that would do? That would invalidate the bear flag here on the 6-hour chart. That would invalidate the bear flag here on the 6-hour chart that we've been looking at, by getting over this 1025 level that we're looking for breakover in order to invalidate the bear flag. Until that bear flag is invalidated, we're still bearish on the near short term, next week or two, but looking at the 90-minute, we can get a little more bullish, even with a drop down. If this triple top happens and the drop down happens like I talked about yesterday to its 200, well, it would still leave room for a higher low, for a higher low to be formed here on the 6-hour chart, and leave room for the bulls to continue moving upwards. After a higher low, another higher high could be formed. We can see the bulls break through that 99.6 major resistance level that we see there. They are holding strong over the local support that broke through yesterday. Strong over that local support. Daily, still seeing that Adam and Eve double bottom, which most of the time play out to the top. So hey, the Bulls still have a chance. We're going to call it 50-50 until that 102.5 level is breached. Still 50-50 on the near short term, as in week or two. But on the near short term, next day or few days, well, we can look at this pattern coming out, this pattern forming, where coming down to that 96 level and then finding up, like I just said, finding a higher low, moving on up from there. Barring that, if we lose 96, then we're looking at even further downside. We could see, we could find support here at this other local support level that we've seen that used to be resistance that we broke over. Now, or 94, even 94. a stop there at 94, we'd be putting in a higher low in our pattern and would still say, hey, the bulls have a chance. We said the same thing yesterday. I'm really just going over the same damn thing. The indicators, however, on the 90-minute chart, the stochastics have curled over and are showing downwards momentum, and RSI is still putting in lower lows and lower highs, showing a bearish trend, despite the sideways movement here of the price action. So let's see what happens. Can the bulls pull through? Can they push up from here? Will the bears take hold? How low will they drop us? 96, 94? Let's see. As long as those two can hold, then we put in that higher low, like we've been talking about. Then on the near short term, like we're talking about in the next few days, we could see that move up to 104, like we just measured on this bull flag that's forming on the 90-minute chart. Although we can also see it here on the 6-hour chart. I'll sync those between the layouts there. Just give me 1 second. There we go. There you go. See it here on the 6-hour chart as well. So if that bull flag there can hit, then hey, we're looking gravy. Not only will we be above 99.6, but we'll see Bitcoin heading prices over that next 103.7 level. Possibly. More likely we'll find some resistance at that level. Anyway, continue taking profits. Continue taking profits. If you go online and you look at what people are saying, well, they're saying, that they're all going to be taking profits in March, April, that sort of thing. But yeah, start taking profits now so that you can, have some sitting on the side, so you feel like you get out of this bull market with gains. That's the name of the game, is getting out with gains, making more money than you came in with. So take profits. What do I do? How do I take profits? Well, at the beginning of December, right around that last peak, I thought to myself, hey, this is a good peak. I didn't hit 108 exactly, but I was close to it. And I didn't pull profits off Bitcoin, just my alts. But I took 10% off of the table then. And since then, every week, I have been taking 1% off the table, turning it into USDC, USDT, moving it over. Either if I'm trying to take it out, I move it to Coinbase and then remove it, put it in my bank account. But if not, if I'm just holding it as dry powder, then I move it to a wallet, either hot or cold, but that's better than having it on an exchange where, in the thick of things, there could be liquidity issues. You could have a frozen account. Anything could happen with the exchanges. And when they hold your crypto, it's not you holding it, not your keys, not your coins, as they say. Anyway, consider taking profits. This is not financial advice. Do what you do. I can't tell you what to do with your money. You got to do that for yourself. That's the whole point of cryptocurrency, is to be your own bank. Take possession of your own monetary value and to safeguard it on your own, on your terms, without the need for any third parties that might, overstep their bounds. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Music courtesy of Luminist and Sax Squatch. Much love. See you later.